Another crazy deal. Big shout out to my homeboy that just texted me this deal. I can't say his name because he did say not to say his name. Yeah, Milwaukee M18 18-volt coreless combo kit. Yes, this is not brushless, but it's still a crazy deal, crazy price. 5.2 combo kit with 3 amp hour and 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger, and a tool bag. It does include the drill driver, half-inch drill driver, impact driver. You got a multi-tool. You got a sander, a light, a big battery, which is, well, not a, you got a 3 amp hour battery. You got CP 1.5. You got a charger and a bag. Price $3.99. But if you do the hack, or if that's what you want to do, you can select the battery is the best one to get, obviously, on this deal, because you're going to get it for cheaper. So you add both to the cart, and you're going to see how much you're going to get right here. So you're going to get $113 credit, or $113 worth of battery you can return. But check this out, $285. I know it's not Fuel Tools, it's not brushless, still a great deal for a spare, a spare set. If you got your fuel, your brushless for the job, for the the work truck, and you need something for the house, for the shop, this is a nice little set for $285. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.